I am recording now, and this is Puppy, and my brother Josh and Tracy, and my niece Chloe and Devin are here. And Trina's stirring the homemade cola, and she said it's getting better, and she has a ton. It is raining today, so we might not have a campfire outside. Oh, sad. But, Chloe, are you out here? No? I gotta open up the garden gate for Chloe because she can't get inside the garden. She can't reach the latch. So I will reach it for her. There we go. Now she can get into the garden. What, Harley? Hey, Chloe Bug. All right, it's open now. Have fun picking berries.
Yes.
Bear Bear. It's raining, Bear Bear. And look, the apples are ready for harvest. Kind of ready a lot earlier than I expected. And look, I cleaned off the patio. People in the kitchen. Hey! It's a Trina nose. Oh my god. What?
You're in purgatory. Between the place where you make it and the place where you eat it.
Oh, but that's where the fairies live, in the in-between. Exactly.
Hi.
He has got it down.
Hi. Oh.
I'll eat my hand up.
Oh. Babies may be possibly cuter than cats.
Do you want your plug?
I still haven't decided. What do you think, Chloe? Are babies cuter or are cats cuter?
Yes, it is.
Are these blackberries?
Those ones aren't actually. Yes, Dad planted them, and when he was alive, they didn't produce very well. They're loganberries, so they're cultivated by humans. They took a blackberry and they took a raspberry and they made a loganberry. That's a true story. You could look it up online and in books and
It's
stuff.
like a blackberry to me.
But it's not. It's a loganberry. There's a whole bunch out there.
Fuzzy. Hey, do we have Wheaties?
Yeah. Do you want to go see the loganberries? There's like tons of loganberries.
Yeah, Wheaties.
Chloe,
Do I have what?
do you want to stir this?
Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi.
Oh, Wi-Fi, yes. Do I remember my password? Maybe. You'd probably have to look on my Kindle or something to see what the...
Well, I'm not going to do that.
Yeah. But you can connect to the internet. I just don't remember if I have a password that I made or if it's like one of those weird number things that it comes up with this. I don't know.
Mom, did you just make this?
Okay.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna get into the freezer so I can show Josh loganberries versus you can't even tell. But I swear to God, Josh, they're loganberries. We are playing Bezzerwizzer, and I'm gonna ask my brother a
History question.
history question. I need my freaking glasses. Named after the city where they signed the pact in 1955, where did 8 Eastern European states agree to form a political alliance?
Warsaw.
Yes.
Where is it?
Warsaw.
That was Versailles or something.
Josh is smart. I am half smart. So I'm a half-wit.
I am unsmart, but I can balance my
Ask
can.
Tracy a religious question.
I should have switched. I like religious questions.
Look, my can is balancing.
Religion and beliefs.
God is doing this.
What is the gesture of submission originating in Imperial China in which you kneel and touch the ground with your forehead? Oh, that's... Okay, no, I didn't know that.
I'm gonna Bezzerwizzer. I'm gonna throw a guess out if you don't know.
I don't
bowing and playing with babies.
Why? You are correct. How did you know?
Supplication.
That's kind of what I was thinking, but no. So I guess that's too European or whatever that word, or it's too English or something.
I lose.
Because this is definitely a Chinese word. Kowtow?
Kowtow to somebody. I should know. Oh well. Somebody-
Cow toe. Like camel toe. We get
That's an expression that our parents grew up with. Kowtow.
Kowtowing, yeah.
Ah, because they're hippies?
Well,
Like you bow
it's
down
like
and
50
surrender to
Basically,
someone.
it's like you have a weak spine.
Oh,
Kowtows.
kowtow. Okay. That's Steven, and he said I could go ahead and videotape while he's eating. He didn't say that.
You flip-flopping
And
over there?
sister's here, and she looks pretty.
I don't like architecture. It's stupid.
Oh, is it my turn or Sarah's?
I am Ted Tracy's because I
I'm
Tracy's turn.
appreciative of
because I
it.
went last there and didn't.
You're right. All right.
Oh yeah, that mother.
Oh, she stole our nature.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
It got pretty bad near the end. Nature.
We got
I think I can
religion.
Bezzerwizzer if I'm reading that. Which figure from Greek mythology came too close to the sun and fell into the ocean?
Oh,
Icarus.
bless you.
Am I pronouncing it right?
Yes.
Okay. I know my Greek. Sorry for answering so quickly. Because what if I was wrong? And
Applause if you
Yeah.
know the Iron Maiden song that's based on that. The title
Well,
of it.
I have no
Wax
idea.
wings.
Flight of Icarus.
I actually heard that story like yesterday. For the
I get
first
to
time ever.
move. We're green. We're the losers.
So why don't we kill you?
I want religion all the way across.
No back.
Tracy says we need to play Bible Outburst or Bible Trivia.
Football. Are you ready for some football?
Yes, I am.
We are attempting to make a fire in the rain because we're going to have a campfire one way or the other.
Hey, Dad.
And Steven... Oh, I had zoomed in.
Daddy.
Steven is making kindling.
Look. She's got a machete.
I do.
It's not really fur.
Yeah.
It's foliage, but I mean,
Yeah, I should go put it.
I got it to help make trails in the forest, but we're not making trails today.
it's the same.
It's not a bad thought. It's just not quite the right tool.
Fire. The trees actually kind of provide a cover. Whoa, I just got dripped on. Provide a cover from the rain. I smell smoke.
It's dry wood. That's a problem.
Well, that's good wood.
I meant wet wood.
Oh,
I don't know. Most of this used for kindling looks like it's
yeah,
dry.
it's dry. The wood that's in there now,
That's how
what
you
we
guys do
didn't
that.
get last summer, but the summer before, I think, and it's just lasted a long
Here, well,
time.
don't hurt yourself.
So that wood is at least a couple of years old, and that should mean it's really dry. All the sap should be out of it.
Sap makes it smell good.
But I think
the
sap
smell-
also
I love
makes
the
it
smell of
harder
sap.
to burn.
Getting on the flame now.
So you gonna put paper in it? Cheater.
Yay, Julie's here, and I should probably be helpful and help her get stuff out of the truck.
Oh, it's okay. It's just this bag right here. After I take out the juice.
Okay. Yay, there's a tree above us dripping water on us, and we're out in the rain, and we don't care.
This is Washington.
Yes, I found some hot dog sticks, but I think I only have 3. So we might have to take turns, or
Goodness.
I'll go from up angle. My hair is wet and messy because Sarah dumped dirt on my head. And because in her book it's a tradition that she wrote about, and it's because we are being silly.
I'm gonna follow you in since you're coming.
Okay.
along.
Yay! I'm one of those weird people that talk to cameras and people at the same time. Yeah, Tracy?
Please tell me you use this only for your water bottle and nothing else.
Yeah, in fact, I didn't even know I had that. But
Okay.
yes, for nothing else.
We were a little concerned when I put it in my drink that it might.
Yeah, that would be bad.
Hi, Julie.
It's a nice conversation to walk into.
Here. This is the official water bottle cooler. Only the water bottle cooler variety. No other uses have been approved by me.
Yes. I found 3 of my knives. 2 are pocket knives. One is like a hunting knife.
Go ramble. go on you.
And I'm going to let Josh decide what ones are best for a Devon to use. And I don't even know about the sharpness quality. 2 pockets, and that's like a honey knife, which...
Dude, that hurt. I just cut that with my hand.
I had a really cool one somewhere that... Okay.
Was it by Daddy? Ah, whoa! About fell over.
Okay. He really likes Julie. Maybe he remembers Julie.
I think so. He greeted me.
Yeah, he's like, I know you. You're somebody I know.
I don't want to step on him.
I'm wondering if he thinks of you as Uncle Tommy's friend.
Oh, and he misses his Uncle Tommy, maybe, and Julie.
Somebody keep that there. Thanks. Okay, what's that?
Emmy, don't.
It's working.
Don't cut yourself, okay?
It's working. It's recording Devon and Trina and Sister and Bear. Oh, Bear really wants that hot dog. Look at him.
He wants it really bad, but he ain't gonna get it. He ain't special enough.
Bear, maybe after all the people have had a hot dog, you can have it. You want to see yourself, baby? Look, baby.
Go away. I don't like you, brown bear.
Look. Who's there?
Jackrabbit.
Who's that? Do you see yourself?
Fine off. Oh. Oh.
We're sitting in the rain, Victor.
Like this. No, bad rain.
In the rain. In the rain.
I'm gonna sizzle that dog right
There's
now.
Emmy.
Can I have some of that?
It's too bad. We are making s'mores in the rain.
See, you missed it. I got a good scoop out of it.
Yeah, so we don't have to break them in half because that's way too much work.
Getting into them is a little bit of work.
You gotta
Yeah.
put something underneath of it. Because the ground, it'll absorb
Hey, look,
it.
my hair is dry, but not for long because we're in the rain.
Yeah, you probably would have split it if you would have had
It's
something
gonna really start coming down. I think as it
like a
gets
chunk
started.
of wood or something.
I'm looking for something. And I have found my partner.
One of the contests I wanted to do was do a scene from Twilight, but I didn't have enough time. But I figured this would be the perfect location because we're in the right location. But I couldn't do it, and then Sirius would play the part of Jacob Black.
Cute.
Some more.
It was breaking. I just walked on it. It broke.
They have strawberry. They're gonna catch on fire, I can tell. And a regular one up there.
I made it.
I caught you on camera, Chloe. She doesn't face her. She's like,
This last YouTube.
hey, Chloe, when are you gonna have your marshmallow?
Cutting in front of you. Cutting in front of you.